Peppertype.ai that creates quality content for you in seconds. Here are some of the cool things you can do with Peppertype.ai. Generate hundreds of blog ideas for your brand within seconds. Marketing ideas? Not sure about your next social media post? Need a product description for your amazing e-commerce store? Ad copies? Growth hacks for your brand and whatnot. Peppertype to the rescue.
Have you got 5 friends? And if you have got 5 friends, would those 5 friends sign up for a completely free account to an AI copywriting software? There's nothing they have to do apart from sign up to get you some free credits. If you think you've got 5 friends that will do that for you, then I can show you a way to get 25,000 free words on an AI copywriting software that I believe is massively undervalued. If that sounds interesting to you, stick around because it's only going to take me a couple of minutes and I can show you how you can get a lot of words very, very cheap on an AI copywriting software. Check out here, we're over on Jasper at the moment. Look how much these prices are. The starter is $49 a month. If you go over to Closer's Copy over here, $419 over that a year, $49.99 a month. We can get words, not characters, but words completely for free. Let me show you exactly how we're going to do this. The first thing we're going to do is head over to this website here, Peppertype.ai. Now if you're interested in picking up Peppertype, scroll down into the description, you'll be able to find a link there if you do decide to go with their paid packages to get a little bit of a discount. But as I said, I'm going to show you exactly how to get words for free. So all you've got to do is come over to this website, Peppertype.ai. It's all you've got to type in and sign up for a free account. With a free account, you just need to use your Gmail, any other email address, and you will get an account. Now, look at all these different things you can do with this copywriting software. I'll scroll down. There's loads and loads of options here, and we're going to be going through these in detail in the future. So if any of this looks interesting, if you're writing copy for social media, copywriting, SEO, e-commerce or products, then definitely subscribe to the channel because we're going to go into this software and other softwares like it in more detail. But as I said, for now, I'm going to show you how you can get some free words on this software. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to head up to the right over here to this logo of a person, and that's going to take you over to your account. You're going to click on that, and they have a brand new option at the moment called Rewards Program. As you can see here, this account is on the free plan. I've got 10,000 words that can be used in the free plan, and this is how many that I've got left. We're going to head over and click on Rewards Program. So click on that. It will take you straight over to this page, Earn Free Rewards. And you can see there's lots of ways that you can actually get rewards. You can schedule a training call. That will take you over to a calendar link, join their Facebook community, review them on Trustpilot. A couple more options down here. Do all of this and you will be able to get additional words and not characters. A lot of the more expensive AI copywriting softwares are now charging by character, which means you run through your limit incredibly quickly, but this actually does it by words, which is a much better system. But as I said, I was going to show you how to do it if you've got 5 friends that are willing to help you out. All you've got to do here is it says refer and get 5,000 Peppertype words. Get 5,000 words in your account by referring your friends to join Peppertype. You will get 5,000 words for every successful referral. Your friends will also get an additional 5,000 words upon signing up with your referral link. So what that means is if they have a business, they can write copy and they'll get their free credits plus these additional ones, and you're getting credits as well, which is an amazing offer. I definitely recommend that you take advantage of as soon as possible. So you've got 2 options here. If you know the email addresses of your friends, you can just type them in here and click invite and they will get an email. Or your other option is you can just head down to this button here. We click on it and you can see the link has been copied to the clipboard. What we can do then is we can paste that into social media. So you could put it onto your Facebook page, you could put it into Messenger or WhatsApp. Send it out to as many people as possible, asking them to create an account. As soon as they click the link and create an account, your account will get the additional words, 5,000 of them, and your friends will also get those 5,000 words as well. I've got no idea how long this reward program is going to be running, but as you can see, if you are interested in using AI copywriting tools, this is a brilliant way of getting free credits and avoiding these heavy prices that you have to pay for these bigger companies. So if you are on a budget or you're just starting out with AI content, I massively recommend coming over to Peppertype, setting up an account and taking advantage of their amazing reward program. I'll just head back to the home page just to show you all the different things. So if you're thinking about doing any of these things on your blog or on your website, on your store, then all of these are options that you can explore on Peppertype. And as the free account comes with credits already, it's definitely one that's worth checking out, because you might as well use up those free credits exploring with this tool. If you want more content around AI copywriting software and want to see us test Peppertype out in the future, hit subscribe. And if you'd like to learn a little bit more about some of the other options you have in terms of AI copywriting software, just click the video that's popped up on the screen now, and you can find out how you can create a full article in less than 3 minutes. Look forward to seeing you in the next video.
Peppertype.ai. Create quality content in seconds. Let's try out generating blog ideas for a company setup such as Zoom. So what Peppertype essentially does is that it takes input about your product or brand and tries to generate relevant content. Now, once I hit generate, it gives me various blog ideas that I can edit, copy, or bookmark it and save it for later. Impressive, right? Peppertype.ai. Create quality content in seconds. Let's try generating some social media captions for my vacation picture I'm about to upload. And hit generate. Sweet.
Hey, have you ever tried to scale your performance marketing across Facebook and Google, but have been stuck with what to write in the ad copies and description? Marketers waste over 30% of their time back and forth on short-form content like ad copies. Change that with Peppertype.ai, a tool that helps you scale all your marketing within seconds. So whether it's Google or Facebook, get hundreds of copies written automatically customized for your business within seconds. Are you ready to up your content marketing game?